Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling guided access so the phone can lock to one app. This prevents accidental exits. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Guided Access, turn it on. Next, set a passcode that you'll remember or enable Face ID for quick recovery. This secures the session. Lastly, add guided access to the accessibility shortcut so you can triple-click the side button to activate it fast. Once these prerequisites are complete, you're ready to launch the app you want to confine. You now begin the session. Open the app you intend to restrict, then triple-click the side button to start guided access. Circle any on-screen areas to disable touch or tap options to toggle sleep/wake, motion, and touch controls. Use time limits if needed. Make deliberate choices. Disable keyboard if typing is unnecessary, or allow touch in a specific region by leaving it unmarked. Once configured, tap Start. The device will remain in that app until you end the session, which keeps the To finish, triple-click the side button and authenticate with your passcode or Face ID, then tap End. If guided access won't end, force quit the app or restart the iPhone by holding side and volume buttons. This often clears a stuck session. If problems persist, make sure iOS is up to date, then toggle guided access off in Settings and re-enable it. This refreshes permissions. Remember, troubleshooting starts with a restart, and make sure your passcode or Face ID settings are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.